Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can add pictures in the Microsoft Word document. So without wasting time, let's start video. So if you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. And here you can see home, insert or draw options. So click on insert options. So when you will click on insert options, you will see pictures. Click on it and you will see three different options: this PC, stock image or online pictures. So if you want to select pictures on your PC, then click on it and you can select any pictures from the PC. So if you want to select online pictures, then click on it and you can select online pictures. So here you can see search bar options. So you can select here any pictures which you want to add. So for example, I want to add apple. So after selecting, you can see different kind of apples show here. So I can select any pictures. So after selecting, you will see insert options. Click on it and here wait some second and you can see this picture is added. So after adding the pictures, you can adjust the size of the pictures. So in this way you can add the pictures and adjust the size. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, please like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.